Hey guys, welcome to my London vlog. This is Maddie.
Hello.
Okay, here's my other friends. It's day one.
Show me.
This is Ray. And this is Hayden. We're really excited. We're in New Jersey right now, and it's gonna be a great month. See y'all soon in London. Okay, we're about to take off.
Last time I went.
Yeah, next time we'll be standing in London.
I'm so excited.
So excited. We're about to land. It's 4 a.m. our time in America, and it's 9 a.m. here. Here we go. Oh, it's bumpy.
On behalf of United Airlines, the Star Alliance, and your Newark-based flight attendants, we'd like to welcome you to London and Heathrow International Airport, where the local time is approximately 9:12, and you have a 6-hour time change.
6 hours. 5 hours.
5 hours.
Hayden, we're in London. I am so excited right now. Hey guys, so I'm back in my dorm. Today completes my first day in London, England, and I'm studying abroad for a whole month, all of June, which I'm so excited about. But today was definitely hard. I haven't slept in like 48 hours. Well, I kind of have like a couple hours here and there, but not a full night's rest, so I definitely am feeling the jet lag. It's a 5-hour difference from where I'm from. But I had a great day, and I love all the girls that I've made friends with today. I definitely can't wait to make more friends and get to know everyone. But yeah, studying abroad is hard. And I know that it takes a while to find your people in every situation. So yeah, I'm just kind of trusting that God has a plan for this month, and I'm so excited. And I have no idea what to expect, but it's gonna be great. So while my room is still neat, I thought I might as well give you guys a room tour because I have my own room and bathroom, and I also have the coolest view, but it's nighttime right now, so I'll have to film that tomorrow. But yeah, it's really tiny, but I love having my own room, so I'll show you guys now. Okay, so I have my little suitcase right here. Then we have a ton of closet space, and there's even a few hangers. So I just put some of my clothes right there and organized everything. And then there's also this one. And yeah, my safety box down there. Okay, my backpack, some makeup bags, some belts, random stuff in those drawers. I have my camera case. I have all these art supplies for my idea book. This book I had to get for my Understanding Creativity class, which is the course I'm taking over here. And yeah, I'll be doing some watercolors and just writing a lot of my thoughts. My camera bag, purse, camera, computer, my textbook, other random things. And I just have some toiletries in a purse right there. And then some food and medicine and water. Nothing in there. And then this is my little bed. And then a mirror. A trash can. Did I already show you my suitcase? Can't remember. Here is the tiny little bathroom. Toilets look different. This is how you flush right there. Here's the mirror. My toothpaste, some soap, toothbrush. And then a tiny little shower. This is like the size of an airplane bathroom, but it will do for a month. And my towel. And yeah, that is the entire room. Can't wait to show you guys the view. Also, tonight will be my 5th night in a row where I have spent it in a different place. I started in the mountains, and then Charlotte, Charleston, an airplane, and tonight will be London. So yeah, feeling like a nomad. Okay, I'm delirious now, so I'm gonna shower and get ready for bed, and then I have orientation tomorrow and a walking tour around some cool areas of London. So yeah, can't wait to take you guys along. So amazing. It's the London Eye.